Hi everyone. So let's talk about the next important topic is background jobs. I mean, every framework has something. Internally you can use a NestJS event emitter, but that's not for too long running background jobs. But NestJS Bull, this is like a Redis backed robust background processing library. Sometimes what happens is, let's say I need to process like say 10,000 records. I can just say, okay, I have created a job. Now I have a CSV in the memory. I need to process all those records. So for those kind of thing, you can use this internal bull library. Integration is very much simple. Like it needs to connect to the Redis, and in the internal Redis, it will track all the things. It will add the jobs to the queue. So there is an internal queue it creates, right? And queue it keeps adding those, and then it keeps processing them. Okay, so the configuration for that is simple. Await queue.add the job name and data. And what are the configuration? Delay in processing each and every job is in the millisecond, how many attempt, exponentially back off, priority, timeout, all those things. And you can also even schedule dot jobs like, okay, every day at 9 a.m. you need to just read all those things. So you can just use the bull MQ. It's a bull module. You just need to register using bull module.for root. There is a dedicated demo of all the things how we are actually processing the heavy records. And you can also schedule that as a cron. Like this is how we do the scheduling, right? In the NestJS internal. I'm not talking about the bool module and all. If you want to do something at a particular duration, then you can use a NestJS cron actually library. It's a schedule module, NestJS schedule, and you can schedule a particular task. This can happen only on server based stack, not in the Lambda and all, because the application is NestJS server is up and running 24/7 at a particular time moment. It will run every midnight, run hourly. There is an expression also, right? So these are like how you can actually do the background processing either through the schedule module, running things, particular things at a particular time. You can use event emitter, a little bit of event driven flavor, or you can use a NestJS bull when you are doing a file processing, report generation, email sending, and bulk data processing.